On a side note, also before you start with messing with the computer, don't forget to unplug the battery. Just remove the 10mm nut on the negative side, remove the post, then you can go ahead and start working on the computer, on the PCM ECU wiring, on them clips. Okay, don't forget that. Make sure you do that before you do anything with that computer. All right, just finished up locking it back in. Ooh, sorry. So that's what it should look like. On the left is the new one, on the right is the old one. If you do it correctly, it will look like OEM, or better, or almost like OEM. See, even the zip tie looks better on mine than theirs. Their zip tie looks backwards. Anyways, if you're trying to fix it while it's plugged into the computer, you can fix it while it's plugged in. Just make sure your tab is at the bottom, and then make sure you do the zip tie, because if you don't do the zip tie, this is going to keep popping off. Make sure you blow anything that it's in there, any dirt or anything, to get it out of the way before you put the new one. I had to do that a few times because it didn't want to catch on the teeth on the sides. It kept popping off every time I try to unplug it, just to make sure it'll plug in and unplug back and forth. In terms of battery was, yeah, you're supposed to take your terminal, your negative. You replace a PCM ECM on a Mopar, I would guess 15 and up, whatever computer that looks like this. Pretty sure there are quite a few before 15, but that's what I have. A 17 Ram Rebel 5.7 Hemi. If you like this kind of content or any more fixaroos like this, you know, just check back, and I'm sure we'll be doing plenty more. Other than that, it was kind of sort of in the medium of being complex on trying to fix it. It's a little hard to get to it when doing the zip tie. On that, it wasn't too bad. It should work, hopefully. We'll find out. But if not, then I got plenty more of them clips. Those are very cheap plastic. So that's just what they decided to use from factory. And well, that's what we're gonna have to just keep putting back, and I guess keep replacing whenever it breaks. Just make sure, you know, you clean whatever debris or dirt or anything. That way it'll actually work like it's supposed to. Them mechanisms on them teeth, on them clips. Other than that, thanks for watching. We'll catch you soon on the next few videos, and I guess kinda this is how to pretty much. I'll show you on the table in the shop. So anyways, yeah, like, subscribe, follow all the IG social media accounts that we have, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace. All right, so we're now gonna go ahead and test it now that we did all that. Let's see if we can get this going. Let's see if we did what we needed to do. All right, let's go ahead and we can get this running. Something ain't right. We got check engine light. Well, let me hop off over here, hook up the T2 Diablo Sport, and see what we got that check engine light. It's starting to shake and skip, so we'll be right back. Let's see.